Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro, and let me share with you some secret codes which you can use on your device. So firstly, let's open the dialer, because this is the place where we'll enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which is quite similar to the previous one, and it is *pound 07 pound. And thanks to this code we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. *Let me tap on OK, and let me show you the diagnostic mode, which is *pound 426 pound *. And as I said, we are in a diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected or signal level. What's more, after tapping on events, we can also check some further details. What's more, we can tap on this 3 dots icon and show advanced view just by tapping on it. After tapping on the status again, we can check more info, just like for example the network type or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which is connected to the calendar. It is *pound 225 pound *. And as I said, we are in a calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should appear right here, or events attached to your mails. So this is the best option to choose to enter if you'd like to check the events which are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the phone software. It is *pound 6776 pound. And as I said, we are in a software version, so here we can check the model, Android version, the master date, branch, or build time, maybe my carrier version, and so on and so on. So here we've got actually some quite technical info about our device. Let me get back and let me open another mode using the code, which is *pound 888 pound. And here we've got the engineering mode, and we can check the PCB number, which is right here. What's more, we can scan this QR code with another device and check some info about this Realme. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the feedback menu. It is *pound 800 pound. And as I said, we are in a feedback, so here we've got the option to report some bugs, report some issues which you meet with your device. So for example, you can report that the Wi-Fi connection did not work properly, or the touch screen is not working also. So all you have to do is simply tap on the thing you'd like to report. Firstly, your device will ask you if you want to record the screen, so it may help the engineers to identify and solve the issues. So I highly recommend to tap on always allow, and as you can see, your device is allowed to record 30 minutes of your actions. So all you have to do is simply tap on start. And as you can see, your device is telling you that you must restart your phone to capture a valid log for this issue. If you'd like to restart, just tap on restart now. I will pick continue, and as you can see, we've got the pointer location applied, so thanks to this your device will record all your touches, and thanks to this the engineers may find find a solution for your problem. So if you are ready, just tap on next. And right now your device is processing all the logs and so on, so we have to wait a second. Probably it has got a problem because I did not have a problem. As you can see, we have the info that our logs have been saved. So if you'd like to check the logs, you have to tap on this, let's say, message icon right here. And as you can see here, you can check all the logs you've reported, all the logs you've saved. So here we've got also the name of it, so we know actually what we recorded. So in my case, it is touch. So actually, that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.